Are you ready for some traditional Haitian marinade with some cooked codfish? Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. On our channel, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you're new to our channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video with a friend, and also don't forget to click on the notification button to get updated on all our new content. You can find any of the links that I mentioned in this video in the recipe in the description below. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video to receive my bonus tips. So let's get cooking. Haitian Marinade fritters is a quick and easy spicy batter which is deep fried, traditionally made with cooked cod. Marinade pairs well with other fritters like tasso, fried plantains, and pickles. Now for my 3 tips for cooking delicious marinade. Tip number 1. Marinade can be made with fish, chicken, and also vegetarian style. Tip number 2. Make sure the oil is very hot when you make your marinade, because if the oil is not hot enough, the marinade will absorb some of the oil. Tip number 3. The dish, like most Haitian foods, is best served hot. Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmay. Please don't forget to purchase the book on Amazon and come back to our channel often, as we are posting different techniques and discussions that we are sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas with the Haitian Cook.